Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun with drawing, alright? In today's video, we're going to draw green piece, alright? And let's jump to the paper together. Okay, alright guys, and the first one, I need you to make a circle like this. So I will go like a 3 green piece, alright? So and the first one, I need you to do this line like right this. Okay, so you have this line already. Then after that you can go with other piece. So I need you to make something like this. So from here all the way here like this, then like this. All right, okay, then last one I will give the other circle here. So from here you can go like this. So like one like this, all the way like this, and then like this. Okay guys, all right guys, I have this curve already, and after that I will have this curve line like following this shape. So from here I will go to something like this. So from here to like this, right one, something like this. You just follow this curve like this, and then like this. All right, okay, after you have this line, then after that from here also like the same thing, you do like this, following this until here, right? So from here, let's go together. All right, going down, and like this, like this, like this, and then I connect to this part. All right, like this. Okay, then after that from here I will go like this, and then like this, right? Then connect to this part. So from here connect to this part. All right, okay, looks good already. Then after that I will finish the top of the green piece here. So I will give some leaves here, something like this. All right, then again here, something like this. All right, then after that I will give a little bit more here, and then little bit more here. Then after that I go do this, then like this. Okay, then give some circle here. Then after that you can go like this way, like this, like this, right? Then let's continue, then like this. All right, great, right? Great, right? Okay, then in this is the fun part. I will give expression here. So I will give the expression here like this, just small expression, and then with mouth, smiley mouth, and then here also, right? Then I will give this part with a smiley, like wow, like really happy face, right? Okay, then after that I will go with this. So right, happy eyes as always, and this one also like really screaming happy. All right, okay, then I will give this fun part is the red color here, and then red color here, same red color here, and red color here, and the same one, red color here and red color here. All right, okay guys, I think this is the final result of a green piece. I will go with the coloring process, then you guys can follow. Right, let's go. Alright guys, this is the final result of green piece. Hope you guys learning something today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. See you again in the next video. Thank you guys.